ready, we'll just come right off. So, yep, it's done. See how it just goes right underneath? Perfect. That's the cool thing about salmon. Tells you when it's done.
So literally, if you can scrape it up, then it's finished, right?
Yep. Well,
That's
it's ready to flip.
Okay.
Yep. See how it just came right up? Good to go.
Okay. Those look beautiful.
That one's not quite ready yet. See how it's still kind of stuck?
Yeah.
Yep. Same with the top side. When it's good to go, it'll tell you when it's done.
Do some of them finish earlier than others, like depending on thickness or size?
And that one's ready, you know? Good. Super crispy. That's what you want. This gives you a different texture while you're eating it, and it's full of a lot of vitamins, good fats. But you should not have to really try to get salmon up. See, I went a little early on that one, but I mean, it's still good. It's ready. There you go. We're gonna look now. See, salmon's very delicate. Exactly what we're looking for right there. It came right off the grill.